Most enterprises today are increasingly adopting cloud and other emerging technologies. It's an opportunity we at Infosys are using to renew our traditional offering while adopting newer technologies. With our differentiated services, we are helping some of the world's largest global brands create newer business models that drive efficiencies and increase their customer engagement. No wonder we have added more than 35 new accounts to Infosys in just the last 2 quarters, taking the overall EAS client list to over 500 plus.
At EAS, we believe that we are the enablers of digital ecosystem for our clients. We have built our core foundation on the pillars of innovation, agility and creativity, and these characteristics are abundantly manifested in our approach across our services. As an example, we renewed the client landscape for the leading telecom provider in Australia by cutting down the order to activate cycle by 70%. EAS had a fantastic run in the last 1 year since formation. Q3 has been by far the most challenging yet exciting quarter. We believe the constraints and challenges makes us expand our thinking and amplify our potential.
Infosys continues to be the oracle of everything, be it the first of its kind $77 million non-RFP win at Citizens Bank or the zero-distance monetization at Cummins, where we automated period end closure and realized early collections of $14 billion. Needless to say, our people have delivered the highest jump in customer satisfaction, scored from 52.7 to 74. With 50% annualized growth, the Salesforce.com practice is partnering with 60 plus clients like Johnson Controls and Liberty Global to transform their customer experience. Our top 2 strategies are focused on incumbent replacement and creating new revenue streams with micro-vertical solutions, leveraging products like Velocity and CloudSense.
SAP ecosystem is transforming and our clients are facing unprecedented renewed challenge. On one hand, how to maximize value from their huge existing SAP investments, and on the other, how best to adopt the fantastic new products and technology that SAP is launching at a rapid rate centered on HANA and cloud. We have created the most mature and efficient SAP AMS service, leveraging automation in a big way with Panaya, Mana, as well as 180 tools and accelerators that we've built ourselves. At the same time, we have created strong capability in SAP's new products and technologies through our transformation COE and are already engaged in some of the most complex programs in this area.
So what's in store for the future? EAS will accelerate its journey to be at the forefront of the next-gen enterprise services. We will engage closely with our extended ecosystem through focused offering around BPM, API and microservices, S4 adoption, the implementation of Oracle Cloud and SFDC. We will continue to amplify the adoption of Zero Distance, Mana and Panaya across EAS. And for our people, our greatest strength, we will offer unparalleled opportunity to be a part of the success that comes from transforming some of the world's biggest brands.